Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we will start a series of lecture on R programming. So in this first video we will begin to download and install R. So first of all, you can open Google and you can write download R and RStudio. So here is the first link. You can just open this in new tab. So after you will click on this, it will take you to this RStudio desktop. So to run R programming, you need two things. First, you need to install R, which is actually the R coding or R languages. And here is its indirect usage interface. So we need to install both at a time, and we need to make sure that their both versions are compatible, so we can download both of them. To download this, we can simply click on this, and as we know, this R and RStudio are actually both free, so we can simply click on this, and after this we can choose for whether we are downloading for Linux, for Mac, or for Windows. Because we are downloading for Windows, so we will simply click on this Windows version. So as we are installing the R for the first time, so we will simply click on this base version, and here is its latest version, that is download R 4.41 for Windows. So as here you can see, this file is only of 82 MB. So as you will click here, so you can see it has started to download, and at the meantime we can also go back and can start to download this RStudio. So as here you can see, now our both files are downloading, and we can wait until our both files downloading is finished. So as here you can see, now our R and RStudio both have been downloaded. So first we can try to install this R, and then we will continue to installing this RStudio. So first we can install this R. So we can simply double click on this, and we can click on run, and from here we can select the language, and we can continue using these, just next, and we can make accept changes to the defaults. Simply just need to click on these next options, so it will start this R. It will take just few seconds. Yeah, we need to click on this finish before starting the next one. So here we can go to our RStudio, and now can start with RStudio installation. So we can click on this run, we can choose next, and wait for a while until it is finished. So we can simply click on this finish, as our RStudio installation is also finished. So now our both R and RStudio have been installed. So here you can see R can be seen on the desktop, and if you want to run with RStudio, so you can simply write RStudio here. So this is actually the RStudio. So here are actually the 4 windows.